Next we have to print this star pattern. So in this star pattern we can see there are 4 rows. In first row we have to print 3 spaces in front of this star. In second row we have to print 2 spaces in front of this star. In third row we have to print 1 space in front of these 3 stars, and in fourth row we don't have to print any space, only 4 stars we have to print. So let's get started with our coding. Hash include stdio.h int main. Here I'm taking 4 integer variables, integer I, j, n and space. Here I'm asking user to enter the number of rows to print. So printf enter the number of rows to print, and scanf %d as number of row, that is we are collecting number of rows in n, and n is an integer number, so we will be putting %d %n. Now I'm starting my for loop for I equals to 1. Now external for loop is for rows. Our rows are starting from 1 and is going up to 4. So we have started I from 1 and I will go up to less than equals to n, semicolon I plus plus. Now first we have to print spaces. So again I will start my for loop to print space for space equals to 1 semicolon space is less than equals to n minus I. Why we have done this? If number of rows we have to print is 3 and if the current row is 1, first row is 1 and number of rows we have to print suppose is 3, then 3 minus 1 is 2. So in first row we have to print 2 space and then 1 star. If number of rows are 4, then it will be 4 minus 1, that is 3 spaces. I plus plus, sorry, space plus plus. Here we have to print space, printf within double quotes, I have to give single space. After printing space we have to print asterisk. So for j equals to 1 semicolon j is less than equals to, we have to go up to I, semicolon j plus plus. Here we have to printf within double quotes, we have to print asterisk and put semicolon here, and here we have to give next line, new line character, printf \n to go to new line. And here we'll be giving return 0. Save the program and build it. So it is asking me to enter the number of rows to print and I am giving here 3. So it has printed my 3 rows. So how it is printing? Here it is asking me to enter the number of rows to print and I have given variable n. If I will give 3 here, so n, value of n will be 3. If it is 4, if I give 4, then value of n will be 4. It is going to print 4 rows. Now we have started a for loop for I equals to 1, that is it is talking about row number 1. Now 1 is less than equals to, suppose n is 3, condition is true, 1 is less than equals to 3. Now it will come here, it will initialize space variable with 1, Now 1 is less than equals to 3 minus I. N is 3 and I is 1. 3 minus 1, that is 2. It will come here and it will print the first thing. It will print single space. Again it will go here. It will increase the value of space by 1, making it 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 3 minus 1. That is 3 minus 1 is 2. Again condition is true. It is going to print second space. Again it will come here, increase the space variable by 1, making it 3. Now 3 is less than equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2. Condition is false. So it will come here in next for loop and initialize the value of j by 1. Now 1 is less than equals to 1, condition true, it will print first star. Again it will come here, make the value of j by increase the value of j by 1 and making it 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 1, condition false, so it will go to next line. So here in first iteration it has printed our first star with 2 spaces in front if there are 3 rows. Now after coming to next line, it will again go to I and increase the value of I by 1, making it 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 3, value of n is 3, condition true, again space is 1. 1 is less than equals to 3 minus value of I is 2. 3 minus 1 is 1. Condition is true. It will come here and it will print 1 space. Again it will go here and increase the value of space by 1, making it 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 3 minus 2. Now here our condition is getting false. So here it will print 1 space and it will come to j. Now it will initialize the value of j by 1, making it 1, and again 1 is less than equals to 2, condition is true, it will print first star. It will go here, increase the value of j by 1, making it 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 2, condition true, again it will print 1 star. Again it will go here, making j 3. Now 3 is less than equals to 2, condition is false, so it will come to next line. So by second iteration it is going to print 2 asterisk and 1 star. Again it will go here, increase the value of I by 1, making it 3. Now 3 is less than equals to 3, condition is true. Again it will initialize space with 1 and check this condition, that is space 1 is less than equals to 3 minus 3, that is 0. Condition is false, so it is not going to print any space here. It will come to j this loop and initialize the value of j by 1. 1 is less than equals to 3, condition true, it will print first star. 2 is less than equals to 3, condition is true, second star. 3 is less than equals to 3, condition true, third star. 4 is less than equals to 3, condition false, it will come to this next line. Now again it will go here, increase the value of I by 1, making it 4. Now 4 is less than equals to 3, condition false, so our program terminates. Now we have to print this pattern. So we can see that in first row there are 2 spaces in front of this one, and second row there is 1 space in front of these 2, and in third row there is no space in between 3. And we can see that here we are printing row. In first row we have printed only 1 first, and in second row we are printing 2 for row number 2, and here we are printing 3 for row number 3. So by making little change in previous program, we can get this pattern. So here we are asking user to enter the number of rows to print, and here I have taken n. N can be 3, it can be 4. If it is 3, it is going to print this pattern, and if it is 4, it is going to print one more row below this 3. So here I equals to 1, 1 is less than equals to 3, 1 is less than equals to 3. Now we have to print first 2 spaces. So again space equals to 1, space, that is 1 is less than equals to 3 minus 1, that is 2. It will print first space. Again value of space is increased by 1, making it 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 3 minus 1, that is 2. Again it will print second space. Space now here is 3. 3 is less than equals to 3 minus 1, that is 2. Condition false, it will come here. Now j is 1, 1 is less than equals to 1, it will print star. It is not going to print star. We have to print here row, and for row we have taken external for loop. So here we'll put percentage %d, and here we have to give I. So here it will print 1 because the value of I is 1. Again value of j will become 2. 2 is less than equals to 1, condition false, so it will come to next line. So it has printed our this line. Now it will control will come in front of this line. Again value of I is increased by 1, and now the value of I is 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 3, condition true. So again space is 1. 1 is less than equals to 3 minus 2, that is 1. Condition is true. It is going to print first space. Space is increased by 1, and now it is 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 3 minus 2, that is 1. Condition false. So after printing one space, it will come to j. It will initialize the j variable j by 1. Now 1 is less than equals to 2, condition true. It is going to print I. Here the value of I has become 2. So it will print 2. Again it will come here, increase the value of j by 1, making it 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 2, it will print 2. Now j is 3. 3 is less than equals to 2, condition false, it will come to next line. Again it will come to I and increase the value of I by 1, making it 3. Now 3 is less than equals to 3, condition true. Now space is 1. Now 3 is less than equals to 3 minus value of n is 3 and I is 3. Condition is false, so it is not going to print any space. Now j is 1. 1 is less than equals to 3, it will print 3 here. 2. 2 is less than equals to 3, it will print again 3. 3. 3 is less than equals to 3, again it will print 3. 4. 4 is less than equals to 3, condition false, it will come to next line. This way it has printed our this pattern. So we'll run it once. Enter the number of rows to print. I'm giving here 3, it will print 3 rows. If I give 4, it is going to print 4 rows.